Morning family. Today is another episode of Eddie J Made It. So in this recipe, I have my boiled and chopped potatoes, butter, onions, sausage, garlic paste, salt to taste, and my eggs. My saucepan is already on fire, so we are going to start. The first thing I put in is my butter. I didn't see that. Followed by my onion and garlic paste. Next, it's my sausages. Wow, the aroma. And my salt to taste. Next is my potatoes. It's time to put in my whisk again. Cover it up for 3 seconds. So this is how our tomato recipe have time to be. Let's give it a taste. So good. We are ready for school. Bye. Thanks for watching this video.